let's talk about spiders. Now, I know what you're thinking. They're creepy, they're gross, they're possibly a key to medical and industrial breakthroughs? Well, not the spiders themselves, but their silk. Spider silk has many potential applications in construction and medicine. It's stronger than steel and more elastic than a rubber band. Inside a spider's body, thread is stored as a highly concentrated liquid. It transforms to a solid thread when it leaves the body. A common garden spider can produce as many as 7 types of silk, each made up of a different sequence of proteins. In recent years, scientists have suggested using spider silk to construct products as diverse as biodegradable water bottles, paper that can't be torn, and even flexible bridge suspension cables. Think about that for a moment, the bridges of the future being suspended by spider silk. Well, sort of. The spider silk would actually be mixed in with other materials to make something like an alloy. For example, researchers were able to meld spider silk and human skin into a Spider-Man-like body armor. The hybrid skin was able to repel a slow-moving bullet fired from a .22 caliber rifle. If scaled up, spider silk body armor could be 3 times stronger than Kevlar. On the more medical side of things, spider silk can be used for growing artificial skin for burn victims. The silk's strength, flexibility, and biodegradability may make it an ideal material for growing skin and healing wounds. This isn't an entirely new idea. Spider silks have been used as bandages for centuries. Modern science has simply found ways to increase its efficiency as well as discovered more of its amazing capabilities. In addition to providing a good scaffolding on which to build skin, spider silk appears to aid in the regeneration of other parts of the body, such as neurons and blood vessels. Some types of spider silk may even have antimicrobial properties. Many surgeons use the thread from silkworms to stitch wounds back together, but spider threads are even thinner. That's important for eye or nerve surgery, where saving space is incredibly important. Some companies are trying to create airbags from spider silk composites. Instead of blasting you back in your seat, a spider silk airbag could envelop you in the same way a web does, and the silk could absorb the force of impact. Virtually nobody has had a sufficient amount of spider silk material to make a full-scale test of these product ideas. You see, spiders tend to be murderous and cannibalistic, which makes spider silk difficult to mass produce, and harvesting it from the wild can take years. Because of this, scientists have tried using worms to create spider silk. The researchers added genes that code spider silk proteins into the worms. The resulting fibers are twice as strong and twice as elastic as normal silkworm thread, and since silkworms are vegetarians, we don't have to worry about them gobbling each other up. This means they are easily farmable, and they have already proven their ability to make silk on an industrial scale. Now, for all the scientists out there who aren't too fond of insects at all, there's still hope. In a more recent study, scientists were able to create a biosynthetic spider silk that behaves like the real thing. This biosynthetic fiber was about 1/10 the diameter of a human hair. This biosynthetic silk is the first to replicate natural spider silk in terms of important parameters such as tensile strength, toughness, elasticity, and extensibility. In case all of this wasn't enough, scientists were able to use the silk from spiders to develop a microcapsule capable of delivering a vaccine directly to the heart of immune cells. So, the next time you're about to squish a spider, take a moment to appreciate one of nature's most incredible creatures. Oh, and maybe consider sparing its life. It might just save yours one day.